Shawn and James, congratulations on this great recognition. We're in Evansville, we're blessed to have great quality healthcare. And I think about the leadership in our healthcare industry in Evansville, and I think of two stellar leaders in Shawn and James. I'm thinking back over what our community, what our world has been through these last many months. And I'm so grateful that I've been able to rely on Shawn and James in all the decisions I've had to help make to lead our community. Your stewardship of our public health has been amazing. Your guidance has been so phenomenal. Couldn't be more grateful for your leadership, what you've done, not only for our community, but for our region. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we appreciate your good work and all that you and your teams have done at Deaconess.
It is my honor and privilege to help recognize Shawn McCoy as the Southwest Indiana Chamber of Commerce Distinguished Business Leader of the Year. Shawn and I became vice presidents at Deaconess over 18 years ago, only 6 months apart. And I can't tell you what a great ride it has been. I've so enjoyed the opportunity and the privilege to work shoulder to shoulder with a man that I admire and respect, and also consider a close friend. Shawn has an uncanny ability to analyze complex situations and formulate great ideas. I consider Shawn a thinker, but very specifically, Shawn's a fast thinker. And working with someone like him really keeps you on your toes and challenges us as a leadership team to perform at our best every day. Deaconess is blessed with a great board of directors and an incredible team of doctors, nurses, and almost 8,000 employees serving the tri-state. We're so proud of our team and how they've risen to the occasion of this unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic. I'd like to end by saying what a privilege it is to work with this amazing team and to see the dedication and commitment of the entire Deaconess organization. Shawn, you have a great leadership team and you're a great leader. And I'm so happy and privileged to be able to say congratulations, my friend. I can't think of anyone who deserves this award more.
So I'm so excited to be here today to congratulate Dr. James Porter for the honor of being selected by the Southwest Indiana Chamber Distinguished Business Person of the Year. Congratulations, James. He started here as a hospitalist back in the year 2000. About 2 years after that, he moved into a management role. And that's really where I got to know James and really started to build a relationship with him. We're a similar age, similar background. And so we had a connection right away, almost as if we were long lost brothers. In 2017, Linda White retired. And as you know, those are big shoes to fill. And we created a new role, the president role, which James filled at that point in time. And we didn't really know exactly how it was going to work, but we did know one thing. We both had similar visions for the company, where we wanted it to head, what we wanted it to look like in the community. And to this day, we still have that same vision. Well, then in March of this year, this little thing called COVID shows up. This was really in James's wheelhouse. He's internal medicine pediatric physician by background. Really, he immediately took the lead on our COVID response for our community. I know both James and I are extremely proud of our team here at Deaconess. This honor really is representative of those folks' hard work and effort over this past year, and really representative of Deaconess as a company. We decided early on as a management team that COVID was not going to be an excuse. It wasn't going to be, well, we didn't do this because of COVID. Despite COVID this year, we've brought on 3 new hospitals under the Deaconess umbrella. That's Henderson County and Union County in Kentucky, and also Gibson County in Indiana. Those hospitals are now under the Deaconess umbrella. Also, our quality folks continue to do great work, again, being recognized number 2 in the state of Indiana for the 3rd year in a row. With that, on behalf of our board of directors and our management team, we're so proud of our 8,000 employees and what they do every day to bring Deaconess to the forefront and serve our community.
If I was to ask you what words come to mind when you hear the words Deaconess Health, I bet some of you would think about Deaconess in a variety of facilities and a variety of locations, such as Midtown, Gateway, Darmstadt, the new Deaconess Clinic. And I bet some of you would think about such entities as the Deaconess Sports Park, the Deaconess Aquatic Center that's under construction. And I bet several of you would think about Deaconess and the way Deaconess has served the community throughout this pandemic. And all of you are correct. Deaconess does represent facilities in a variety of locations, a variety of services, and patient care. But we are here tonight to recognize Deaconess for its leadership. Its leadership in its board activities, leadership at the service level, leadership in taking calculated risk. It's everything wrapped up together. And all of this is under the leadership of Shawn McCoy and Dr. James Porter, our honorees tonight. It is about people fulfilling the Deaconess mission to advance the health and well-being of the people we serve. Let me be one of the first to congratulate Shawn, James, Lynn, Sharona, Cheryl, Jared, and Alan. Way to go. You're the best.